Can banks and financials lead the street this new year? What do top experts think? Let's listen into their views on the banking space.
De-rating of the banks has already started globally. India is a bit late to realize that, and that's the reason I personally feel de-rating of this sector has already started. Maybe PSU has been beaten down to a certain level. They were all traded in the hated zone, so they have come back. But as a sector, I think I'm more bullish on the digital side of the business. When CBDC come into picture, a lot of things, commercial bank relevance will change. They will not exist in this form which we are dealing with. You will start dealing with more with the central banks in some manner.
People are looking at financials from a valuation, and the fact that it's been dead money for the past 2 to 3 years. A lot of the big name private sector banks have done nothing for 3 years in a row. But I am still not fully convinced that now is a good time to put money in financials. System credit growth is down to 11%, which was about 13% in the second quarter. I don't see any major NIM expansion anytime soon.
A whole host of PSU and other private banks have hit 52-week lows and gone lower. I think financials could lead the way. They are under-owned, they are hated, and everybody in the street knows that the MFI space pain will continue for the next several quarters. People are unwilling to look at bank and bank balance sheets. The reality is some degrowth or reduction of growth, rather not degrowth, reduction of growth has come in. And my feeling is that no better place to invest in, to my mind, than the financials, which would probably lead the next rally.
The valuations for banks again will become attractive. Globally, if you see, banks have done well because there's a reflation trade. Inflation being high is good for banks. You look at the performance of Bank of America, the US Bank, Citigroup, etc. They've done exceptionally well. Same with Hong Kong banks. Names have come back, credit growth has come back. So there's no reason that should not happen in India. There was a pain over last 1 year which came because unsecured lending was under controlled. That had impact on NIMs, that had impact on delinquencies. I think that's going to go off in a couple of quarters.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.